Remember how easy it is to build a store with just a few simple prompts using Shoplazza AI? Now, you get 3 unique professional designs tailored to your brand. Look at the details. Our AI generates high-quality model images, perfectly matched banners, and compelling copy that speaks directly to your target market. It's 100% personalized. And it's not just a pretty face. It automatically structures your products, creates smart categories, and builds essential pages like About Us, all behind the scenes. It's a complete, ready-to-sell store. Targeting a specific country, Shoplazza AI automatically generates native copy, local models, and culturally relevant backgrounds. Your store feels local, everywhere. Stop designing, start selling. Try Shoplazza AI Store Builder for free today.